Hi, what's up guys? It's Emily, and I just found out that we're going to Pennsylvania to see my cousins and my family. I'm obviously not going to show their faces because that's my family. I don't want y'all to see my family. I mean, I do, but like, I'm not posting that on the internet because not everyone's going to say yeah to it. I found out that I was going on this vacation yesterday, the time I'm recording this, like, you know. So I'm just finding out. Tomorrow's Friday. And we're not coming back till about Tuesday or Wednesday. We were originally going to drive, but then we decided to do a whole plane thing. 2-hour flight, so that's not bad. But yeah, it's very cold over there, per usual, which I'm fine with. So I've got my Philadelphia Eagles outfit ready to go. I've got my huge Philadelphia Eagles jacket ready to go, along with this matching scarf. And then I've got my EmilyAnneTv merch that I'm gonna wear underneath it because we gotta rep, right? I've got the suitcase right there, and my bed, a mess there. Currently just going through my bag because I'm gonna bring a carry-on. So we're just kind of figuring out what I need to bring. Of course I'm gonna bring gum. Let me know if you guys also, if you guys like chew gum on the plane. Like, I just know I'm not the only one. Like, I know I'm not. Like, when you guys know you're going on a plane, do you always pack gum? Like, or do you, like, sometimes forget to or whatever? I'm the one that's constantly packing gum. I need, like, a full brand new pack, which is what I've got here. But yeah, so I plan on packing my Bose headphones that I literally use everywhere I go. And then I plan on obviously bringing these, because these are great to have. I actually didn't take these today, which is probably why I'm feeling very anxious right now. So I'm not even kidding. I'm filming this and I'm just like, oh my god. These have been helping so much though. Do I look good? Is it giving? Is it eating? Am I serving? Am I serving? Is she serving, guys? Anyway, you should have had enough time to answer that. If you didn't, then what are you doing? You must type like me. Anyway, no, I'm not even kidding though. I am the worst typer. You would think that I'd be good at typing since I'm a gamer and I'm on the computer all the time for the most part. You would think I'm actually good at gaming. Not gaming. You would think I'm actually good at typing, but that is so pretty. Oh my god. My nose is frozen. Oh, it's cold. But it's really pretty. God, it's Macy's.
Oh, Eagles jerseys.
Eagles jerseys. I will be over there.
A brilliant holiday spectacular celebrating color, warmth, and joy.
Hey guys, so it's been a little... Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't really done a lot of, this, where it's just us basically one-on-one. I've just been taking in everything right now because Philadelphia is like my second home, quite literally. So a lot of my family grew up here, so we've had a lot of like visits here. So basically, yesterday we got in, and I'm saying yesterday because that's, obviously when you're seeing this, it's going to be way past current day when I'm filming this. But yeah, so anyway, we got in on Friday. Today is Saturday currently, and woke up at 3 a.m. Didn't go to sleep till 10 p.m. That's the earliest I think I've ever gone to sleep. I know that's mind-blowing for you guys to hear coming from me.
Alrighty guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. If you guys did end up enjoying, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see me post next. With that being said, I hope you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys. Step by step we won't be slowed. Watch your shine.